This is Alpha, and I'm the Papa. Welcome to our channel!
So yan mga paps, dito tayo ngayon sa Chefway. We're gonna grab lunch. So ayan, let's go Starbucks. Ayan. So lunch muna tayo, bili tayo ng lunch. Dito tayo sa dito tayo. So the price for itself is $6.74. So if I have this, so it's okay. No need about. So yan nga mga paps. We're gonna say only in Canada. So if you're gonna buy this alone, is $6.74, and then when I go to the cashier, he said get a pop or a value meal and you will get a discount $1.25. So that's a good deal, right? Only here in Canada, Chefway. So I'll save money and I get another pop, one can of pop. So thank you very much, and I will eat and enjoy. So lunch tayo mga paps. Let's go. Wow.
A few moments later.
So yan mga paps, ito yung food na sinasabi ko. Ayan. If you're gonna get that one for alone is $6.74. The mashed potatoes and I think 6 pieces of chicken wings, garlic chicken. So when I go to the cashier, he said get the combo meal or combo, get a pop, this one. If I'll get this, or if I add this cola, so I will gonna grab discount for $1.25. So it's only in Canada mga paps. At ayan, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo mga Edmontonians, Team Good Vibes Canada. So Chefway has a good deal in during every meal, not only in the lunch time. So they have a good deal. If you get a combo, the price goes down to $1.25. So only in Canada. So ayan mga paps, at kain na tayo. Let's go. Okay mga paps, let's go. Samahan niyo ako sa pagkain nitong garlic chicken wings at ang mashed potato for only $5.25. Okay, let's eat. Samahan niyo ako. Paspasan na natin at 30 minutes lunch break lang to. So yan mga paps, tapos na nga tayong kumain. So meron naman tayong banana at saka grapes. So yun nga pala mga paps, another sharing again. So if you gonna buy food in the Chefway, anytime that I same with my the deal that I have. So yung morning or breakfast, lunch, and evening dinner. So any kind of food in there is just like the same price, $5.25. So it's the total of $15.15. So you're gonna get food in Safeway. Yung 1 hour salary mo ay sobra pa. Even the minimum salary, the minimum salary is $15 nga pala mo. So if your salary is more than 15, so hindi mo mauubos sa 3 meal yung 1 hour salary. So yan lang mga paps, at ito naubos na natin yung food, at tayo naman ay sorry, $5.89 at $5.25. So my discount is $1.25 just because I got this, the cola. It's like not like a promo or a value meal. They call the value meal. So only in Canada. You're gonna buy alone $6.74 and get a pop for a value meal. The price is goes to $5.89. So yan lang ang masishare ko sa aking lunch break. So it's my 30 minutes lunch break. That's why I eat very quick. So yan lang mga paps. Thank you very much for watching, and please click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upload ko pang video. So thank you very much and bye bye. I love you all.